Here we're going to find the sum of an arithmetic series. I have an arithmetic series, 21 plus 24 plus 27 plus, and then it goes all the way up to plus 192. Now in order to find the sum of this series, I'm going to use some of these formulas right here. I'm going to need to use this formula and this formula. And I'll show you how we're going to do that. First thing you should always do is write down what you know. So my first term, I know that, that's 21. My last term, I know that, that's 192. I don't know the number of terms, so I'm going to put a question mark there. Now, unfortunately, this formula and this formula, the sum that we need, both need the number of terms. So since we don't know that, we're going to use this one right here, my T of n formula, in order to find that out, because I do know everything I need. So I guess I'm also going to need to find out what's my common difference. Well, they go up by 3 each time, so my D is a plus 3. So let's feed that into our T of n formula. I'm using that formula right there. So I want to know what my last term is. My last term is 192. I want to know what position it is in the series. I know my first term is 21 plus n minus 1, and I know my common difference is 3. So time to start multiplying those out. I'm going to take this 3 and multiply into both of those. 192 equals 21 plus 3n minus 3. Put the 21 and the 3 together. 192 equals 18 plus 3n. Subtract 18 from both sides. And I end up with 174 equals 3n. I'm going to divide both sides by 3. And my n ends up being 58. Okay, so I'm going to just write that up here, equals 58. I'm going to take this, shrink it down a little bit, give myself some room to work. Because now that I know my n, I can figure out my sum using this formula. So, sum of the first 58 numbers equals n times a plus l all over 2. Sum of the first 58 numbers equals n, which is 58. First term is 21 plus 192, which is my last term, all divided by 2. Okay, punching these into a calculator, it equals 58 times 21 plus 192 equals 213, all divided by 2 equals 58 times 213 gives me 12,354 all over 2, which equals 6,177. So that means the sum of the first 58 numbers, so the sum of this the sum of this series is 6,177. And that is my end answer.